Well, hello there, friend. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out. Today we are installing a Schlage cylindrical lock. Man, these locks are awesome. These are so much fun to install. Install these all day long, man. A pleasure. Just I'm gonna start the stopwatch, not because I'm trying to do a speed install or anything, just since I speed up the videos just to kind of keep track of in real time what these take to put in. So here I'm opening up my screw packs, got my parts and pieces, and I'm gonna grab me a VIX bit. I'm gonna pre-drill my latch bolt holes so I don't split the edge of the door when I install those combo screws. And I got 2 of these to install in this little, we're working in a little area that's kind of separate from the rest of the construction site, so trying to do as much as we can over here. Oh, that was the wrong screw. That's the right screw. You got it. Now let's put that strike plate on. So once you got the latch bolt installed, the next thing is you grab the chassis. You'll slip the chassis in and make sure that the little wings on the chassis engage with the little wings on the latch bolt. Then you put the anti-rotation plate, then the inside spring cage. Oh my gosh, these installs go fast, and these handle sets work great. We love these. You're gonna put the rose and pop the lever on, and give it a little test, lock it, make sure the key works. That's like a little office function there. All right, throw the box behind the door, protect that wall. Let's do it again. Oh, don't drop the tape. All these keys were coming out keyed separately, which is kind of annoying. You got to make sure you keep track of the keys and mark them for the customer. Hey, but we're 3 minutes 20 seconds in. Not too shabby. Let's throw another lock on. These really are a pleasure to install. We love installing these. So easy. They work. Even these preps on these doors were a little off. We had to do a little extra prep to make them right, but still, these locks are just great. So putting the latch bolt in with the 2 combo screws. We'll grab the chassis. I'm looking there at the function because somehow they supplied a passage lock for a bathroom door. That's not going to work, but it was labeled for this door. That's what they got. Put the chassis on, anti-rotation plate. Put the spring cage, screw it in. I am using an impact to screw these screws in, but I am not engaging the impactor, if you will. Just screwing them in, don't over tighten. Then you're gonna do the rose and the lever, you're done. I gotta put the strike plate on too, but yeah, these are so much fun to install. Oh, easy peasy, you know what I'm saying? We like easy, so yeah. I think we're gonna end up under 6 minutes for 2 of them. Very nice, very nice. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for watching. I got more videos coming your way, and I'll catch you next time.